this video you will learn how to create this beautiful skylight beam effect. Let's create a new composition. Then we take the pen tool. Make sure you deselect this layer by pressing anywhere in empty area and choose the fill white color and create a light beam shape. Really, you don't have to be an artist to create it. It's very simple, very basic, something like that. Then by having it selected, hold Control button and double click on this pan behind anchor point. And it appears in the middle, we take it and we drag all the way here. So this will be our bottom of our light beam. And this way, if you press letter R, you have a rotation around the same anchor point. So at the moment, I'll make it -90 and I hide it. Then select the background, edit, duplicate. Here we will select an area where we want this light beam to be visible. Take a pen tool and make a selection. Once you make a selection, you can hide the bottom one and you will see the selection you've made. For convenience, I will rename it. I will call it Alpha. I will place it up, hide it, and unhide our beam light. Then where is a track mate? Let's select to Alpha. And if you rotate, you will see that it's already appearing only in the selected area. I feel like I want to scale the width of it. So by going to transform, there's a scale, unlink it and scale it like that, right? If you want, you can scale it higher even. Right, then I press letter R to reveal rotation. I will place it here. Now we'll animate it, add a keyframe, and if you're making a seamless loop video, make sure the same keyframe is at the very end. So all you have to do is just copy and paste, and here in between these two keyframes, really go crazy. Then I press here to select all the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. This way, before each keyframe, the animation slows down and slowly increase in speed again. Then let's go to Effect, Blur, and add Fastbox Blur. Blur it like that, and press letter T to reveal opacity and reduce opacity. And if you wish to change the color, select again here, Fill. How about you just select kind of blue like this. Then we can edit, duplicate. We take the same one and we can place it in a different area. If you want, you can even scale it down. I'll make it this one white. Again, go back to rotation. If you want to change the keyframes, just press on a stopwatch to remove all the keyframes, add another one and add a different starting position. And again, maybe you can, if you want, you can make it slower like this. If you're making a seamless loop, select the first keyframe, copy and paste at the very end. We select all the keyframes, right click, easy ease. And this is how you create a skylight beam effect.